associate with you?
Because we're both rational adults that don't want anything bad to happen. And because I have a human shield.
Mrs. Pancake!
Oh no, Morty. The subconscious is panicking.
Run!
Relax, Morty. Look, Mrs. Pancakes has a parachute. Come on.
Hey, you don't know me.
Oh no, Rick, look! Golden Fold landed the plane, and he's created a mechanical arm to pluck Mrs. Pancakes out of the